When it comes to caring for your natural hair, you may have tried numerous products and methods to keep your locks healthy, shiny, and vibrant. But have you ever considered turning to your kitchen pantry for a solution? Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Rinse is a hidden gem in the world of natural hair care, offering a range of benefits that can transform your hair and scalp. In this video, we'll explore the wonders of ACV Rinse and how it can help you achieve the hair of your dreams. The benefits of ACV Rinse for natural hair. One of the key benefits of ACV Rinse is its ability to balance the pH level of your scalp and hair. Our hair and scalp have a slightly acidic pH, and using commercial hair products or hard water can disrupt this balance. ACV helps restore the pH, which can lead to healthier, shinier hair and a more comfortable scalp. ACV Rinse acts as a natural clarifier, helping to remove buildup from styling products, shampoos, and conditioners. This cleansing action can leave your hair feeling refreshed, light, and free of residue. The acidity of ACV can help to smooth the hair's cuticle, making it easier to detangle and reducing frizz. It also leaves the hair feeling softer and more manageable. ACV contains vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Additionally, it can improve blood circulation to the scalp, which is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of ACV make it an effective remedy for dandruff and an itchy scalp. Regular use can help alleviate these common scalp issues. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. How to use ACV Rinse on natural hair. Using ACV Rinse on your natural hair is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Ingredients: 1 part apple cider vinegar, 3 parts water. Optional: a few drops of essential oil, like lavender or rosemary, for fragrance. Instructions: in a plastic or glass container, combine 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. If you find the smell of ACV too strong, add a few drops of your preferred essential oil for fragrance. Start by washing your hair with your regular sulfate-free shampoo. Rinse thoroughly. While your hair is still wet, pour the ACV Rinse evenly over your hair and scalp. Be sure to avoid getting it in your eyes. Gently massage your scalp for a minute or two, distributing the ACV Rinse throughout your hair. Then, leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can follow up with your regular conditioner if desired. For extra shine and to remove any remaining scent, do a final rinse with cold water. Style your hair as you normally would and enjoy the benefits of your ACV Rinse. Precautions and tips. Always dilute ACV with water to prevent it from being too harsh on your hair and scalp. Conduct a patch test before using ACV to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. If you have sensitive skin or a very dry scalp, you might want to use ACV Rinse less frequently or in a more diluted form. Avoid using ACV Rinse immediately after chemical treatments like perms or relaxers, as it may cause irritation. Store your ACV Rinse solution in a cool, dark place. Incorporating an ACV Rinse into your natural hair care routine can be a game changer. Its ability to balance pH, cleanse, soften, and promote healthy hair growth makes it a versatile and valuable addition to your hair care arsenal. So, next time you're in the mood for a little DIY beauty treatment, reach for that bottle of apple cider vinegar in your pantry and unlock the natural beauty of your hair. Your locks will thank you for it.